This is Mrs. Keefe. Just wanted to say hi. We're doing something a little bit different this year, so won't be seeing you in the hallways, but we're going to say hello online for open house. Hope you're all staying safe and happy and healthy. I'm Mrs. Keefe, 811 Life Skills Elementary Special Education teacher here. This year we have Mrs. Warner as a TA in our room. She's been doing a lot of the read alouds for the online and Teams, and in here for class for story time. We have Miss Tabby and Miss Dee that are working really hard in our room, providing supports and materials and modeling for our students. We also have the positive behavior intervention supports that are school-wide, and in our classroom we use sticker charts for supporting positive behavior so the students can work towards items that they prefer. We do lots of movement and music and engaging activities. We have a new Promethean board, so we've been having fun discovering and exploring on that. So I hope we all get to be back in school soon all together again, but this year it's a little different. We're looking forward to learn and grow together, and I hope we have an exciting and awesome school year.
Hi, my name is Karen Dague, and I'm the school social worker in the Elementary Life Skills program. I'm new to CVES, but I've worked in children's mental health for over 30 years. I provide individual and group counseling to children, and this year, as I get to know the kids better, I'll be working on emotional regulation, or helping them learn to manage their reactions to stressors and situations they may encounter at home, school, and in life. I also serve as the liaison or bridge between home and school, so if you're having any concerns, please reach out to me. I will also continue to check in with you to see how things are going. I'm happy to be at CVS, and I'm looking forward to working with you. I'll see you soon.